Don't eat me. The fox fell at the donkey's feet and begged him for his life. The donkey kicked him and drove him away. Soon there was a commotion in the whole forest that a lion had appeared in the forest. The monkeys started running from one side to the other tree. They should be scared by roaring like a lion, the donkey said to himself, and then roared like a lion. But instead of the lion's roar, a different sound came out. All the animals heard this sound and came out, that it is actually a donkey that has grown in the skin of a tiger. All the animals told the donkey not to ask what happened to him. After that, the donkey repented that he will not bother the animals of the forest anymore. As long as the foolish donkey remained silent, his illusion was maintained. As soon as he spoke, he was immediately caught. It is mentioned once that a donkey was walking on the road when he saw a black bag. When he opened this bag, he was surprised to find a tiger's skin in it. The donkey was very happy and put the lion's skin on him. The lion's mouth was also with him. Now this is very good. Now I to see what I look like. The donkey went to a nearby pond and looked at his reflection. Now I have become a lion. Now I will have all those who used to have me. Seeing the lion, the donkey, it was a deer. Lion, a deer trembled and ran away to the trees in fear. The donkey was happy with his success and said, meanwhile the fox was seen by the lion and the fox got scared. Live your life.